Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Marissa. Welcome and thank you so much for watching. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. First off, how are you guys doing? I know this is such a crazy time and I just want to send so much love and prayers to all of you that you are staying safe, you are staying home, wearing masks if you do have to go out, and just keeping yourself safe, keeping others around you safe. Especially to all of our healthcare professionals, to our delivery drivers, to our grocery store workers, all of our restaurant workers who are still out there cooking it up for us when we want to do takeout or something a little different at our house. Thank you guys so much. You're working so hard and we cannot be more grateful for you guys. So today's video, I'm gonna be doing my daily makeup routine. Full disclosure, I am not a beauty guru. I just really love makeup. Gosh, I've been doing makeup since I was a kid. I used to get in trouble for wearing makeup to school. I just love it. I can't help it. There are millions of people out there who also love makeup. And that's why I wanted to do this video and start this channel. So today I'm just gonna show you my daily makeup routine, show you a little something. I'm using a lot of drugstore makeup. Most of it is drugstore makeup. Let me know below if there are any products that you suggest you wanna see me try. It has been so hard to get motivated to do this video. I've been wanting to do this video for so long and I'm like, girl, with all this time, you need to be doing something. I have attempted a workout, but I can't say it's been successful. You know what? My neighbor works out almost every single day, like outside of our door. Sometimes I'll peek out and I'll be like, yes, girl, you get that squat, you get that plank. It's not there physically yet. Anybody else with me? Please let me know I'm not alone. Which leads me into finally doing my video. Like to see how I achieved this look, my daily makeup routine? Then keep on watching. Ooh, she looks a little different, huh? Let's get started. First, I'm going to clip my hair back. I love these little clippies. I found these on Amazon. I'll list them in the description box below so that you guys can find them. They're super cheap, but they're really cute. Okay, so this is just my daily makeup routine. 15 minutes tops. That's if I do my eyebrows. Sometimes I choose not to do it, so it'll be like 10 minutes, done. If I do my eyebrows, you guys already know that it takes a minute. Okay, let's pull these out and be normal, Marissa. Let's just do that for once. I don't have a beauty room, so I'm using my bedroom. So welcome. I had way too much coffee today, so I'm like, what's your guys' Starbucks drink? I usually get a grande iced chai. You should try it. Definitely recommend. So first I'm gonna start off with primer. Did I even pull that out? Yes. Usually I use the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I love this so much, but you wanna see what your girl did? She don't use it all. I started using what I have of the e.l.f. Luminous Matte Makeup Primer. I love this. It's so smooth and creamy and yummy. I just put it right onto my T-zone. A lot of the time, a girl puts it heavy on her nose because her pores like to come out and play and let everyone know. So I just put it, I really like dig it into my nose. I don't know if that helps, but I feel like it does. So your girl was born with bags under her eyes, but I put just a little under my eyes because girl, sometimes, you know, my bags become heavy. You'd think during this quarantine I'd get enough sleep. Then I realized, no, Marissa, you were just born with it. You were just born with it. I put a little on my mustache and just a little on my chin. And then I just use my ring finger to blend it out. She's looking cute. This usually just takes me like 10 minutes to do if I'm like rushing out. Half the time I don't even do my brows. I used to never do that though. I used to be like really crazy about my brows. Here's a makeup wipe. I got my Neutrogena. Love these, love. Honestly, I've tried other makeup remover towelettes and a girl has not. Me dropping my products. I have not found anything that really matches Neutrogena. So I will do my concealer. Sometimes I do foundation if I'm really like going out somewhere, maybe with my friends or work. Sometimes I'll do it, but oftentimes, a little simple, a little bare. But the foundation that I do love to use is the Okay, so I love to use the IT Cosmetics CC Plus foundation. It's color correcting, full coverage, anti-aging, and hydrating serum. When I was looking for a foundation, I wanted to find something definitely for hydrating because my skin is dry, honey. It's 50+ SPF. I freaking love it. It's so good. It's so smooth on the skin. It is such a flawless finish. Highly recommend. Mine is in the shade Light Medium. I don't think you can see that, but I haven't quite figured out the focus yet. She's learning. Concealer, I use the Maybelline Fit Me. This is in the shade Fair. I think I took the sticker off the bottom of this one, but I do have another one. It is 10 Fair. Ooh, her eyesight. She's gotta like pull away now. She getting old. I'll just take that and I will just do a few dots underneath the under eye. I'll do just a few on my nose, a few on my forehead. Definitely cover the color corrector for sure. And then just on my chin. And then I will take my beauty blender. This is from Morphe. Love their beauty blenders. They're so inexpensive. You know, she doesn't have a code, but maybe someday. Holla at me, Morphe. I will. Sometimes I feel like I need to go in just a little bit more, you know? Just to give it a little more coverage. Sometimes I get a little redness in the crease of my nose right here, so I'll bring that concealer up. I love this concealer. It blends like a dream. It is lighter. It is not like a full coverage, but it's definitely buildable. But it does the job. It just is so natural and pretty. So lightweight. All right, into the under eye. I will bring it out. I had like a full-on breakout. My skin was like, girl, you know what? During quarantine, I'm gonna show you something new. And I had a full-on breakout all on the side, and it was so bad. So I'd also like to use that concealer on my lid. It just blocks out that redness. I'm a picker, girl. I'm a tweezer person. I tweeze the living daylights out of my brows because I have trust issues and I don't trust anybody else to do my brows. And so I'd rather like pick them to filth, which is just ridiculous. So I get a lot of redness up there. So I'll just take my concealer and bring that up just to get a little of that redness, a little of that darkness out of here. I already know that I will never be able to get rid of these bags unless y'all have some suggestions on stuff that I could use. I'm just the worst. I've literally tried everything, I swear. I was born with these. I was born with creases under my eyes. I just have to live with it and love it. It is what it is. So let me blend this out and move on. Next, what I'm gonna do is use a setting powder for under my eyes and just all over my face. Sometimes I'll do this when I just put primer on and I'll just like slap a little powder on. So the setting powder that I'm going to use is the one, the only, Jeffree Star in the shade Fair. Love it. It smells so good. It just leaves your skin looking like silk. I love it so much. So I will put that just under the eyes and also onto the lid, just everywhere where I put my concealer. I like to put some of it in the lid. It just smells so good. So I'll just take that all over my face. Jeffree, you really did that, honey. Now I'm gonna move on to brows. Listen, I'm gonna do them off camera. Why? Because I'm a little self-conscious about my brows and how I do them. I will show you the products that I do use the majority of the time. Little backstory, when I was in middle school, I had these big, beautiful, like bushy brows. I kind of had like a little unibrow. And had I known later on in life that they would be back in big, bushy, beautiful brows, thick. I mean, mine were thick. They were so beautiful. I would not have done what I did. Because people said stuff about my brows, homegirl decided to do one thing. She shaved them. Not just with this, not with a cute little, I'm gonna like, you know, map them out, make them look cute, shape them. No, she took a Gillette razor and just, like no one was like, girl, really? Really? And take one of these little razors and then shape it out? No. What I did was take that Gillette razor and continue. And then I decided to pencil them in with black eyeliner. I am so shocked that they grew back the way that they did. Maybe someday I'll show you guys how I do my brows. I will show you what I use, just to let you guys know beforehand. There is some makeup that I'm gonna use in here. I will list it all below. but some of it may not be around anymore. Why? Because it's like 2 years old. So I got it in like holiday collections and I just love them. And honestly, some of them I put away and then I was digging through when I was moving and I'm like, oh my God, this smells delicious and it works. Girl, I'll use it now. But there's some makeup in here that obviously I'm gonna use, but I'm gonna list it below. If you guys have recommendations or suggestions, let a girl know because I'm always willing to branch out and try new things. So for the powder that I use on my brows, it's not just any brow powder. It's eyeshadow powder. It is the Urban Decay Secret Service. It is so good. I love it so much. As you can see, I've definitely hit pan on it. I love it. It's quick and easy, and sometimes I do use a nice little pencil. Maybelline Total Temptation in the shade 310 Medium Brown. You just roll it out there and it's got a nice little angled end. It also has a little spoolie on the end. Sometimes I'll use that, but oftentimes I just end up using the powder. And with that, I will apply with my one and only Jeffree Star X Morphe collab. This is the JS7. It's got a nice little angled end as well as a spoolie. I'm gonna go do my brows and I will be right back. Okay, she's back with brows and she looks alive. Next, I will do bronzer. I have a few bronzers that I really like. But for some reason I just love using this old timer. Man, this is from a Christmas collection from a couple years ago. My Faced Gingerbread Cookie. Gosh, it smells so good. I love it so much. As you can see, there's only a few colors that I use in here. Like this light, I usually use this as a transition shade. And then as you can see, I've hit pan with this bronzer. I also use this one right here, which I'll be using today as well, and that is Winter Dream. I just use that bronzer very lightly. It just warms up the skin, make me look alive. And I'll do that right on my chin. Nice and easy. She's turning into a beauty guru, she thinks. One thing that I'm not good at is contouring my nose. I never really learned how to do that. I've tried to follow the beauty gurus that I love, but for some reason I just cannot get it down. Using this little fluffy brush right here. I don't know where it's from. I want to say Revlon, and I bought like a whole little kit with them and I still have them. I don't know the number or anything, but I want to say that's what it is. But it's a little fluffy brush. It gets the job done for my bronzer and my blush. I'll just flatten it like that and I will dip it into the bronzer and I will just take it right down where my eyebrow, where the end of my eyebrow is, and then I'll just bring it down my nose. Okay, so next I'm going to use blush. You gotta have some blush, honey. This one I think is older as well. I can't remember when I got it. It was so long ago. You guys let me know. I'm gonna obviously look it up to see how long ago. This is Physicians Formula. I love it. It's so cute. It's got a little bow tie right here. As you can see, your girl has hit pan and it's got 4 different shades here. I blend them together. Swirl it in there with the same brush and just hit right the apple of my cheeks. Just give it a little color, a little flush. You guys already know what's next. Girl, I like to go outside and glisten. It don't matter if it's cloudy outside, sunny outside, rainy outside like it is right now in LA. Your girl likes to glisten. Miss Jaclyn Hill, y'all. This is the Flash. This is so good. I love it. I love it. Oh, their colors are so beautiful and they really just pop. I will be applying with the Morphe Jeffree Star JS4. Love it. It's such a good highlighting brush. And I'll dig into Gleam right here, and Iced. Oh, just wait for it. Girl, oh my God. She's so beautiful. So then I'll just put it on the bridge of my nose. I'll do my Cupid's bow and my chin. And she's glistening. I like to go back into that Faced Gingerbread Cookie Palette, and I'll go into Winter Dream. Put that right onto my lid with my finger. It gives it kind of like a wet look, which I love. I love, love, love. Go back into that Jaclyn Hill highlighting palette. I like to put a little bit into the corner of my eye, and I will use the Morphe Jaclyn Hill AH39 brush. So cute. It's good for that inner corner, you guys. So I'll just go into Gleam, dab a little bit, and I'll just hit the corner right here. I'll go up just a little. Oh, she glistening. Y'all can see me. If I'm blinding you, I did my job. Like I said it before, I do my lashes and my lips. And you guys already know, the #1 out there. I love this setting spray so much. This is Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. It's such a beautiful little mist. Just give me a moment. Next, I will do my lashes. I'm not a pro. I'm gonna tell you that now. I'm not a pro. I have struggled to do lashes. Doing individual lashes, no ma'am. Don't even try me, don't ask. I can't do it at all. I'll take my lash glue from Avail, and I like to put it on the actual little, the cap for my lashes. Let that get a little tacky, honey. Avail 422 Naked Lash. Oh my God, I love them so much. They're so fluffy. I feel like a little butterfly with them on. The LA Girl Volumatic. This mascara, you guys, it is so inexpensive. It gives you full on volume. I love it. Give a little oomph, Okay, pray for me, por favor. I used to get lash extensions and then my lashes were like, girl, you wanna keep your lashes? Stop it. Oh no. Stick on there, honey, stick on there. Don't you move. I think we got it. That's what I thought. My attitude changes when I put lashes on. Anybody else? Rosa comes out. So while that dries, I will move on to my lips. I like to use this beautiful little chapstick. It is pigmented. It is the Shimmer Nivea Lip Care. I love it. It came in a 2-pack. The other one I think is vanilla, but this one I absolutely love. I'll just set it on my lips. I will look it up and I will put it in the description box below. But it is so pretty. It's from Burt's Bees and it just twists out and it's such a beautiful little red. I put it right over top of that Nivea and it just gives me such a pretty little tint to my lips. Not too much, honestly. And it's so pretty. Give those a little attention. She ain't about to sing. All right, guys, so one more thing. I always do another round of setting spray. Next setting spray is definitely for hydrating your skin. It smells so good. It is the Luminous Setting Spray by Morphe. Just a few little spritz. It's just my daily makeup. I love it. What do you guys think? I love it. It's simple. It literally takes me 15 minutes. Leave some comments below. Let me know what you guys want to see. I would love to make more videos for you. Whatever I will do for y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like what you saw, definitely like, comment, and subscribe. I'll definitely be planning more videos. But until then, you guys be safe. Stay home. Let me know down below what you guys are doing at home to keep yourself busy and keep it PG, okay? Till next time, guys, be safe. Have a beautiful, beautiful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.